Well, good morning everyone, this is George Beiruthi giving you the market report for Thursday morning, the 11th of September 2014. Let me start with who we are. We're a stockbroking firm located on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia, and I'll give you a bit more information about the company later in this presentation. Now to the disclaimer. Everything I say here is for general advice and general information only. And before you take any action, please consult with your professional advisor or talk to us directly. A copy of this disclaimer is available to you should you wish to receive it. Please call the office to get it. Now we continue with our iron ore editorials. Now today we talk about the various costs of productions, and we show you how each of those large companies have several minerals that can actually produce out, and how they vary and how they affect the bottom line. So if you wish to receive the previous parts of this series and the series that we have finished recently on options, and before that the 13-part series on futures contract, all you have to do is call us and we give it to you. All you can actually go is directly to our website, and you can actually register on a 15-day free trial and get all the information that you find on the website. Okay, we start today with the various data that we have seen overnight. And overnight we start with Wall Street, with US stocks rising on the back of a rebound in Apple shares, which by the way was up by 3.1%. In Europe, the Stockmarket 50 index that comprises several European major markets was steady at 3,244. In London, the FTSE 100 index was steady at 6,830. In Japan, the Nikkei was up 0.25%, and in China, the Shanghai index was down the other way at 0.52% down at 2,432. On the commodities, gold a short time ago was trading at 1,248, that's US per ounce, and that is down $8 overnight. Silver closed this morning at $18.98, down 6 cents, and below $19 for the first time in many months. Crude oil this morning was at 91.69 US a barrel, down $1.50, and that's of course from this time yesterday. Copper, the world's economic barometer, was at 311.2 cents per pound. That is up 0.3% overnight. And iron ore, which is important for our miners such as BHP, Rio, Atlas Iron and Fortescue, was down another 1.2% at 82.2 US a ton. On the currencies, the Aussie dollar was at 91.61 US cents, 97.85 Japanese yen, 70.9 euro cents, and 56.5 British pence, and these of course are intrabank rates. On our market yesterday, the benchmark ASX 200 index fell 34 points or 0.6% to 5,574, and that by the way is 3.5-week low. The broad all ordinaries meanwhile also fell 34 points or 0.6% to finish at 5,574. The market suffered its biggest loss in a month on fears of an earlier than expected rate rise in the United States and a sharp drop in local consumer sentiment. The best performers amongst the leaders were Bramble and Newcrest Mines, up more than 1.1%. The worst performers were Suncorp and Telstra, down by 1%. On the economic news that can affect our market and those overseas, here we have the labour force data and Maya full year results. And tonight we have the US housing starts as well as the initial jobless claims. Local shares are poised to open higher, buoyed by gains on Wall Street. And the SPI futures contract was up 23 points a short time ago, indicating a positive start this morning. Now here we show you what our analysts provide. Every day or two, our analysts at FS Securities add more stocks to pick and trades that we have done in the past for people to review. And if you wish to view the detailed information on any of these stocks, we recommend that you talk to us directly or go to our website, and if you're not already a member, you may take a 15-day free trial and view the full content of our website. We now show you the volume that has performed over our market over the last 15 days. You can see that yesterday we had a much lower volume, and remember that 50% of all the trades were actually down on the downside. We show you that this ratio, the decline over the advances, or you can call it the advances over declines. We've had much lower advances yesterday and much higher declines, and with the lower volume you can also perhaps have a bit of a relief that even though there were more declines, the volume was lower, so it wasn't really a major sell-off. We'd like to show you a snapshot about the 10 best performing companies as well as the 10 worst performing companies. Interdependence Group was down 5%, Mount Gibson and Transfield about 4.5%, Horizon Oil down 3%, Evolution Mining down 3%. On the positive side, starting from the bottom, M2 Group 1%, going up. Newcrest Mines was up 1.24%. Northern Star, recovering from the losses that we've seen previously, was up 1.4%. Echo Entertainment up 2.2%, and the best performing company was actually in Medusa Mining, up 6.4%. Okay, well, to finish off, who I am, well, my name is George Beiruthi. I'm the director here at FS Securities. As you can see, I have many years of trading and investment experience and several qualifications to support what I offer my clients. My ambition today is to keep our clients and prospective clients to become effective investors and traders. Well, once again, who we are, as I mentioned, we're a stockbroking firm here on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. Our mission is to educate our clients and work with them as consultants to pick up trades and manage their portfolios. We like our clients to be engaged with us for most, if not each trade. We trade equities, options, commodities, CFDs, futures and foreign exchange, and we offer our clients a very attractive investment at 7% interest over 1 year, paid monthly, or 9% over 3 years, the interest paid monthly. We are also financial planners and cater for all your financial needs. And now, how to reach us? Finally, here we have our landline number, 61 for Australia, 7 for Queensland, 5630-4141, and that's our landline. And my mobile number, 61-411-259526, and I can be reached 7 days a week when I'm available, not playing tennis or playing bridge or at the movies or dining out, because yes, I have a life as well. Now, you can also write to me at george@fssecurities.com.au. You can also visit our website and join us on a 15-day free trial to surf right through the website to see our daily recommendations, daily scans, our current trading positions and results. You will also see our tutorials, education webinars, daily editorials and many charts and information. So why don't you register now for the 15-day free trial? Now, I'll finish off by telling you have a nice day and happy trading.